Hey folks, alright, Jason, I'm backyard grilling and smoking. Rec Tec has got some really amazing grills. This is the Matador. I've never done a unboxing video before, but I figure this is still a new product. A lot of people have a lot of questions about it. I know I have a lot of people are going to come over and look at this once I get it opened up and get it going, which I'm pretty excited about. Kind of new to me about doing the unboxing video. Like I said, what I should have done an unboxing video on my Milwaukee tool set. Yeah, I know, they're nice. I like them. Can't wait to get them all out and get them all together, use them. But all right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this open, and then see what it is all in there. They say it's nice and it's easy. One thing that I have noticed about a lot of the videos, and I was really glad that we went over to Rec Tec in Augusta. I have to suggest anyone do that. None of the videos I've seen about the videos they've done about the Matador, or other people have done about their other grills, or any videos of anything I've ever researched, the videos really don't do them justice, and I hope I can do a little bit of justice to it. I don't know if I'll be able to. Really need to see them in person. The product and the quality that Rec Tec has is just amazing. So, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we will hurry through and open this up real fast and get everything out, and then look at the instructions and throw it all together for you. All right, we got everything out. We got the instructions. I went over the instructions. They seem real simple. Just put it all together. Just took the bags, took everything out of the bags. Got the hose right here. Little snap rings. They come in a little bag with. It's in the same bag as the instruction manual. I had to find those. You got your two different parts right here. Really did not realize how easy it'd be to put this together. Just, it goes in here. I think the biggest problem I'm gonna have, being a guy with big hands, is there's snap rings that we gotta put on underneath right here. Use a pair of pliers to put them on. I got big hands. I don't like doing anything with little pieces, but we're gonna see how easy that is real quick. Shouldn't be hard. Tell you what, the only thing that makes it so difficult, it's 39 degrees out here. We're up here in the shade. We are not going to turn this on once we get it going yet, because the instructions are pretty clear about where to do it, where to use it, where not to use it. And on the front porch underneath an awning, one of the places it said don't use it. So we're not going to use it here. But I do want to get it all set up and just a quick look at it. Think, and I may honestly put these on in a second without the video on, but let me do that because we're right here. We just about got everything done. We're going to use the adapter for every time that we use this thing, and like I said, I haven't taken anything apart yet. That boy's really on there. So doing this in 39 degrees doesn't make it any easier. Put that on there. So we're getting ready to use this for a one of the main reasons why I did get this is we are going to use the Matador in a chili cook-off. We're doing a chili cook-off for charity on March 3rd, and we're going to use the Matador during that. So this goes in like so. Make sure it's even. You don't want to cross thread it. And then we'll go get our tank out back. We'll put that on there. The windscreen. Just tell you what, we could have definitely used that yesterday. Help if we put it right side up. Slide slide that bad boy right down in there. This is actually really ridiculously easy to put together. It's there. That's sturdy. Now we got the actual cooking part. Tell you what, that pan is 22 inches. It is sturdy. About 4 inches or so down. And it's got a good little curve to it. You can have a lot of heat, a lot of different zones, but we'll go over that a different time. But it's got I can't believe how sturdy it is. I love the handles on it. And one thing that I noticed, something that Nick Dalton and I were talking about, if you're taller, a lot of things are just, you gotta lean down a lot. I like how tall they made this. That was pretty awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's unboxed, it's put together. I just gotta put those rings on it, which I'll do that here in just a second. But I'm loving it. I'm impressed with it. And like I said, I'm more impressed once I saw it in person than I was with any of the videos I've seen. It was just, I actually had to see it to really be impressed with it. I suggest everyone gets one, definitely. We are gonna definitely go over the rest of the setup with it. We want to, it's got a coating on it. We have to get rid of all that. And then we got to figure out what we're going to cook in it for the first time. But I'm enjoying it. It's all ready. And I'm excited about it. I'm going to move it to the back porch before we ever use it. We just come here, set it up. So that's it. Definitely get with RecTecGrills.com and look at all their products. And then come on over to Backyard Grilling and Smoking. Bam. Actually grilling, not grilling. But that's on Facebook. Join up, man. It's a good community. So that's it. Thanks.